Okay, we've got the mouth rounded down so it fits nice and flush in here. Round it down a little more in here and here, so it'll be a little bit tighter there. We've got the back, you can see where the mouth goes. What we have to do is take some of this out in here so our spring will go up and attach to the top of the head, and it's not going to catch on that. We're also going to have to take some out in here. So when we put our hook in here, it'll go down a little bit on this, and then it's going to fit okay. So we're going to work on that. You can see we're taking out in here, so we'll keep working on that, and we'll do the same with the mouth. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put them in the comment section and I'll answer you and get back with you. You can see we're just taking this part out in here so we can, when we put our hook in, it doesn't hit on the top of the mouth. So we're going to keep working on this, and then we'll be back with the next step. Thanks for watching.